Hi everyone, my name's Paul. Today I'm just going to show you how I printed off my model and what settings are used. So basically I'm using Cura version 3.6.0. You can see my build plate is not the largest in the world and it's a bit of a custom preview printer. Basically let's get this model in here and we'll have a look at the orientation. We'll stand it up and use some support. Basically just so the front looks a little bit neater. While we're here, should we turn it round and we can watch it print. Right, let's also get our layer height at 0.3. We're going to print off with a 40% infill. And we're going to turn on the support. I'm going to use the tree support, which is under the experimental features, and you can turn that on. And we're gonna tweak it so we say everywhere. So basically anywhere that's got any overhangs or any bits sticking out. Right, there we go, we've generated. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see that it's put all this little strange tree-like support structure up under the little shelves. And if we could bring this down, we'll just see how it forms, and it looks quite tidy. I think that's something we can run with. Right, we're ready to save our file, and I'll stick it onto the share from my Octoprint server. And that's it, guys.